When you need to replace your ribbon, remove your cover. Don't have that tape on there. It should already be off. And you'll see that the current ribbon is installed around this guide here, around this guide here, around this guide here, and that guide there. Red goes on the bottom. So you just remove your ribbon by lifting it up and out. Your ribbon is now out. To install your new dual spool ribbon, make sure the red side is facing down. Okay, black side is on top. Going to insert one end here, and we're going to wrap it around this guide here first. Give it a little bit of ribbon. Now we're going to put it inside of that guide there. Make sure it's all the way down. Now we're going to put it around this guide here. Again, a little tricky to make sure it's all the way down. And then around this guide here. And we're going to snap it in place and turn it. And you'll see that the ribbon is now located within this guide holder, within this guide holder here, within this guide holder, and within that ribbon guide holder. And it's ready to be used.